Hi, great minds. You are welcome once again. Today, I want to show you how to install Kali Linux operating system on your virtual machine. So please kindly follow suit as we continue. So, if you have installed your virtual machine before, please follow me. Go to a website called kali.org. Go to this website, kali.org. Then click on it, enter kali.org. You see, then scroll down. Okay, scroll down. You see kali.org. Okay, let's click on download. Click on download. When you click on download, it will bring you to this. You see installer image. This one is you want to install it directly on your system, on your you want to make it as your primary operating system. So you can download this one. This one is for virtual machine. Then this one is for mobile application, like you want to use it in your phone. So and so on and so forth. But what we are concerned with today is on the virtual machine, and therefore we are going to click on this. We are going to click on this particular one. We are clicking on this one. So let's click on this. So click on this. When you click on the virtual machine, then you search for the one we want to. Remember, I told you we have different virtual machines, and we have VMware, we have VirtualBox, we have Hyper-V, we have QEMU, and so on and so forth. So what we'll be using, remember, also have 64 and 32-bit. Please make sure it's 64-bit. So click on the virtual machine and the VirtualBox. So we are making a virtual, click here and then click download. So as you click on download, you can see now it's downloading. Let's look at it here. It's already downloading. So look at it downloading here. So let's say we have finished it. So our virtual Kali Linux has finished downloading. Look at it over here. So the next thing you need to do is to extract it, because it's actually coming in as like a zip file. So you extract it. If your own system is not don't have extractor, I will advise you download WinRAR. You extract WinRAR first before you actually download that. So please, okay, so we have this now. Let us extract it. So you extract, you open. Let's say you open, it's extracting. Click on extract. So click OK. So it's extracting. Let's just give it some time. It will finish extracting. So that will show you how you can actually install it on your virtual. So we have finished extracting our Kali Linux operating system. So look at it here. So look at it here. So just look at it here. So what we want to do right now is to actually put it in our, post it here in our VirtualBox. So launch your VirtualBox. Just click on this side to launch. So I've opened it here. What you need to do, come to this side, click on add. Come to this side, click on tool, then click on add. So when you click on add like this, it will take you to your system here. So click on, for this one, I save it on desktop. So I'll click on desktop, click on here, I save it. So you see, you open the folder, you see this particular Kali Linux, so this thing. For this one, I want to install, so you just click on it and then click on open. So like that, you can see that you have finished installing your Kali Linux operating system. So what you need to do now is to start it to see how it is. Let's start it to see whether what we did is actually right or not. So let's just give it a while. Let it finish booting. So it's booting. So let's give it some time. Okay, it's booting right now. So let's give it some time. So it's booting. So it's booting. So it's still loading. So let us see how it is. So it's loading right now. So when it finishes loading, it will ask you for password and username. So the username, it has a default username and also a default password. The default username is Kali, K-A-L-I, Kali. Then the default password is also Kali. So you say Kali at Kali. So log in. So just log in. So we are logging in now. So let's log in to this. We have finished logging in. So this is the interface of the Kali Linux. You can see how wonderful and beautiful it is. So this is the desktop. This is the graphical user interface. This is the application menu. This is the application menu. Here you see information gathering. One good thing about Kali Linux is that it has already pre-installed tools for you to use as an ethical hacker or as a penetration tester. So you don't need to bother much about the tools. Most of the tools that I'll be using have already been pre-installed. So this is desktop, where we are right now. Then this is test. Then this is their browser. Then this is your terminal. Now, interacting with the operating system can interact with the operating system either from the graphical user interface or from the command line interface. So if you want to interact with the command line, it has three terminals. We have the root terminal emulator, we have the PowerShell, and also have the terminal command listing. So when you click on terminal, you see, let's open, look at it here. So look at it here. So just check it out. So this is it here. This is the terminal. So this is how you can install Kali operating system on your virtual machine. So thank you very much. See you in our next class. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and every other social media handle. Thank you and see you next time.